For decades, Houston reigned supreme over Texas's skyline, its glass towers casting long shadows that no other city in the state could rival. But a quiet revolution has been unfolding 160 miles to the northwest, one that has propelled Austin from a laid-back college town into one of America's fastest-growing urban powerhouses. Tech giants arrived, construction cranes multiplied, and suddenly, the city was preparing to rewrite the architectural history of Texas. The question no one expected to ask became unavoidable. Could Austin, not Houston, become home to the tallest building in the state? The answer now stands 1,025 feet above Waller Creek. This shimmering super-tall skyscraper rising beside Austin's revitalized waterfront has not only transformed the city's skyline, it has shattered long-held assumptions about where ambition lives in Texas. A vertical world of offices, luxury residences, hotel suites, and public spaces. This is more than a building. It is a statement of identity for a city that refuses to slow down. Today, let's delve into Austin's new skyscraper, Waterline, the tallest in all of Texas. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like this video, as it's the best way to support this channel. Austin's meteoric rise has few parallels in modern American urban development. Long known as a university town with a quirky, laid-back identity, the city entered a new era in the 2010s as major tech giants, Apple, Google, Meta, Tesla, and others, flooded in. Tens of thousands of high-skilled workers arrived, fueling rapid population growth, soaring demand for housing, and a surge in premium office development. Construction cranes began dotting the skyline, mid-rise buildings gave way to tall towers, and Austin evolved from a horizontal Sunbelt capital into a vertical innovation hub. This shift created fertile ground for bold architectural ambition. Investors recognized that if Austin was becoming a global tech city, its skyline needed to reflect that transformation. Waller Creek, long overlooked, emerged as a centerpiece of this vision. With the Waterloo Greenway project revitalizing the waterway into a vibrant linear park, the land along Red River Street became some of the most valuable real estate in the region, an ideal site for a landmark development. Here, the idea for Waterline took shape. The development team proposed a mixed-use super-tall tower that would anchor the eastern edge of downtown and integrate directly with the new Creekside public realm. Kohn Pedersen Fox, internationally renowned for designing some of the world's leading skyscrapers, was selected to bring this vision to life, refining early massing concepts into a slender, elegant tower capable of surpassing every building in Texas. With an estimated price tag of roughly $750 million, Waterline ranks among the largest private real estate undertakings in Austin's history. Delivering a project of this scale required substantial private investment, significant lender financing, and strong confidence in the city's long-term economic trajectory. Developers, financial partners, architects, and city officials collaborated closely to push the project forward despite rising construction costs and post-pandemic volatility. Between 2019 and 2021, planners refined the proposal, addressing floodplain concerns while prioritizing elevated design, public access, and environmental integration. Groundbreaking in 2022 marked a historic moment. Austin was officially constructing a tower taller than anything Houston had ever built, a bold declaration of the city's rising ambition and new identity. Waterline's sheer scale is striking even before the details are listed. Rising 1,025 feet above downtown Austin, the 74-story tower stands as the tallest building in Texas by a significant margin, surpassing Houston's 1,002 feet J.P. Morgan Chase Tower, which held the state's height record for more than 4 decades. Spanning roughly 2.7 million square feet, Waterline is a fully realized vertical district, a place to stay, work, live, dine, and interact with the environment. Waterline's mixed-use program is stacked with precision, beginning with a vibrant retail and public space layer at ground level, followed by a substantial office component, an upscale hotel, and finally, luxury residences with panoramic views of Lady Bird Lake and the city skyline. The building's base is one of its most distinctive design achievements. Because the site sits within the Waller Creek floodplain, KPF elevated the tower's lower structure, creating a sculptural podium lifted above grade. This not only protects the building, but also opens up shaded outdoor areas, terraces, and pathways that blend seamlessly into the Waterloo Greenway. Instead of treating the creek as a constraint, KPF transformed it into a defining natural asset, activating the waterfront with walkways, landscape seating, and dining spaces that create a vibrant new social anchor for the district. As the tower ascends, its form subtly steps and tapers, producing a memorable silhouette, unlike traditional rectangular supertalls. A sleek facade of high-performance glass and refined vertical lines gives Waterline a crystalline presence. Recessed terraces and sky gardens punctuate the tower, adding greenery to the skyline and providing dramatic outdoor spaces for residents and hotel guests. Inside, every layer is engineered to optimize each use. The office floors feature large, efficient places and state-of-the-art amenities designed to attract global tech tenants. Above them sits the One Hotel Austin, a luxury brand known for sustainability and biophilic design. Residential floors crowning the tower deliver penthouses and apartments with unparalleled citywide views. High-speed elevators travel from ground to top in under a minute, while mechanical systems are engineered for energy performance, comfort, and minimal noise. Building a super tall tower beside a creek introduced unique and complex engineering challenges. Because of its proximity to Waller Creek, the site required extensive geotechnical investigation to determine how to securely anchor a 1,025-foot structure. Engineers used deep foundations, driving reinforced elements into stable layers beneath softer soils, while the elevated podium, essential for flood resilience, demanded precise modeling and close coordination between architects, engineers, and environmental specialists. From the outset, Waterline's core and lateral systems were designed to handle Austin's unique wind conditions. Though the city is not coastal, the tower's height required robust stability measures, including a stiff concrete core, strategically placed shear walls, and outrigger trusses that tie the building's perimeter columns back to the core. Logistics added another layer of complexity. The tight urban site required meticulous planning for crane placement, material deliveries, and traffic management. As the core rose through 2023 and 2024, teams synchronized the installation of facade panels, floor plates, and mechanical systems, with each level demanding a careful balance of structure and design. In August 2025, Waterline officially topped out, reaching its full height and securing its place as the tallest building in Texas. The milestone marked a turning point in Austin's skyline evolution. After topping out, construction shifted into its final phase. Through 2026, crews will complete interior build-outs, finish mechanical systems, install hotel and residential amenities, and finalize the facade. Landscaping along Waller Creek and the Waterloo Greenway connection will also take shape, strengthening the tower's integration with the public realm. Waterline is expected to open in phases beginning in late 2026, with the hotel launching first, followed by office floors and the luxury residences. Through these final steps, the project continues to showcase Austin's growing ability to deliver world-class super-tall engineering. Despite its ambition, Waterline has faced notable controversy. The primary concern centers on the site's vulnerability to flooding, as Waller Creek has a history of overflow events. Although the tower's elevated base enhances resilience, critics argue that climate uncertainty makes building so close to the waterway risky. Traffic and density issues add to the debate. The neighboring Rainy Street district has rapidly shifted from a quiet residential area to a dense nightlife and residential zone, and a super tall tower further strains infrastructure, parking, and pedestrian safety. Some longtime residents worry that the charm and community character of the area will be overshadowed by luxury development, Economic challenges have also shaped the project. Post-pandemic inflation, material shortages, and labor constraints threatened delays and rising costs. Even so, Waterline continued progressing, navigating pressures that halted other megaprojects nationwide. The tower has also sparked cultural debate, whether Austin should embrace supertalls or preserve its historically modest skyline. While debates continue, Waterline's benefits to Austin are unmistakable. Its integration with the Waterloo Greenway enhances public access to Waller Creek, transforming a once overlooked space into a lively urban corridor. Retail frontages, shaded terraces, and landscaped walkways introduce new pedestrian-friendly gathering points in a downtown that has long lacked them. Economically, the tower delivers significant uplift, creating thousands of construction jobs and supporting long-term employment across its hotel, office, retail, and residential components. It strengthens the city's commercial and hospitality sectors, attracts global companies and investors, and reinforces Austin's capacity for large-scale, high-density development. Symbolically, Waterline marks Austin's arrival on the global stage, ending Houston's decades-long dominance of Texas's skyline and signaling a bold new era of architectural ambition. As Waterline approaches completion in late 2026, it offers a preview of Austin's next chapter. The tower will likely inspire more super-tall proposals, intensify Eastern downtown's growth, and reshape how residents and visitors experience the city. Austin's once modest skyline now competes with major American urban centers, and Waterline stands as both milestone and promise, evidence of a city embracing innovation, rising aspiration, and transformative change.